Hi everybody, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to another video on Canadian dividend investment. This is a case study on creating an alternate income with dividend stocks. I am using WellTrade as my trading platform, which is a zero commission account. And my approach is a systematic investment into good Canadian stocks. So follow me on this journey. This will be a quick video where we will go through my portfolio and then I will be buying couple of stocks with the pending money I have in my account. Right now, if you look at my portfolio, I started this account in the last week of January. I invested $500 in the month of January and another $500 in the month of February. That is these two hikes that you see here. One is for $500 investment in the Jan and $500 investment in February. So overall in the last 1 month, I have 3% increase in my returns. And if you look at 1 week, it is around 1%. And this is all because the market is also doing good. And the aim here is more on dividend rather than the growth. So in my portfolio, the stocks that I have is Bell Canada, Canadian National Railway, and two REITs, which is Riocan and Smart Centers. And I also have one ETF, which is XIU. If you look at all my investment, they are in green right now. So that means they are growing, which is always a good sign. And I would say it is mainly because of the market as well. And if you look at the number of shares I don't have that many shares. Like it's either 2, 3, or 5 shares. I would be adding more uh, shares onto this stock. Like I would be buying them in future. But right now, my concentration is mainly on expanding the portfolio. So I have right now telecommunications and railroad, which is under industrial sector, but I would like to expand it into more like financials. I want to buy some energy stocks. So that is the plan. And today we would be buying two stocks, which the aim is to expand the portfolio as well. So it will not be the same shares that we currently hold, but it would be completely new stocks. So the first stock that we're gonna buy today is Pembina Pipelines. Regarding Pembina Pipelines, I did a video last week on some analysis on 4 energy stocks. Based on that analysis, I decided that Pembina would be the best stock for me. If you have not watched that video, please go and check that video. It is purely concentrated on energy stocks that gives which energy stock that gives more dividend. And as you know, I don't have an energy stock in my portfolio, and this is my first energy stock that I'm gonna buy. And I use the analysis to come up with which stock I should buy, and that's how I landed on Pembina. So, on a very high level, if you look at Pembina, Pembina has always been a growing stock. The last 5 years, it has always been a growth, but the COVID did actually hit it hard. But it started regaining its momentum, and there was a little bit of down somewhere in the middle 2-3 months back. But if you look at the price is really good compared to how it was in January 2020. So for me, based on that price, as well as based on the dividend that it is giving, and all those growth that I foresee in this stock, this would be a good buy for me. So let's go ahead and buy it. So right now it shows 35.56 on Yahoo, which is almost the same as like on WellTrade, 35.55. So let's give it a market buy. And since I have around $280 pending and I want to buy one more stock, I'll probably give 4 stocks, and then Let's put an order for it. Yes, so that has been filled successfully. Good. So now let's go to the second stock that we'll be buying today. The next stock that I would be buying today would be Labrador Iron Ore Royalty Corporation. This is a basic material stock, and as I mentioned earlier, I do not have a stock in that sector. So this is gonna be my way of expanding into that particular sector. The main reason why I selected this stock is purely because it's dividend. If you look at the dividend, they have very high dividend yield. And apart from that, if you look at the financial aspect of this company, it has been like good. It has got a very good balance sheet. They don't have any debts. They do have some free cash available. So, in short, it is a solid balance sheet. And if you look at the chart as well, in the last 5 years, I won't say that it has a smooth flow always. It shows an upward trend, but there is certain ups and downs. And specifically, if you look at 2019, it did came down a lot, and COVID also didn't help it either. By COVID time, it was actually really, really good price when you compare to how it is today. And then it started gaining momentum. It recovered pretty well. And right now, if you look at it, it's almost the same price as how it was earlier in 2019 when the dip started. So, um, to be frank, I'm not pretty sure whether I'm buying it at the right time. Maybe I'm buying it at a high price. I don't know. But because of the very good balance sheet and the dividend, I'm taking this chance, and I'm also confident on the stock. So what I mean is, like, if it goes down again to the 2019 or 2020 early pattern, then I will be buying in more of it to average my book cost. So that's one of my strategy as well. But yes, it all depends if it start give retaining the dividends. Right now, it is trading at $35 per share. So based on the available balance, I can actually put four quantity, and that's perfect. Okay. Okay, I understood. So it's because I gave the option as market buy. So I'll change it to limit buy, and I will give the limit price as $35. And let's see whether it is able to go through. I'll put the four quantity. Okay, so place the order, and this will, yes, the order has been sent. I'm not sure whether it will be filled, but the price is showing now 34.99. So hopefully it will get filled. I'll update you if it didn't fill in another 5 seconds. I'll update you later. So yeah, so that's it for today. I bought two different stocks today from two different sectors, which will allow me to grow my um, portfolio or even diversify my portfolio. Um, Thanks for joining me on this journey. I will be uploading more videos on analysis, walkthrough on my portfolios, the dividend that I'm earning on a monthly basis, etc. Mostly focused on the portfolio and the dividends. So please join me. Do watch my videos. Support me. Thank you. So till then, stay safe.